Happy, joy, everybody, and welcome back to Ford Fan Diecast. This is Paul here with, got quite a few finds here in the last week. So been pretty blessed all of a sudden. Everything started coming in, so I'll start here with the Venture Force, like a 99 Mustang. It's blue. So definitely a sweet piece. Definitely a wheel swap, but great find. And I got a bunch of Hot Wheels. Mostly C or D, E, some Easter. But I got this Mach 1400. So definitely a great find. I know somebody was supposed to be sending me one, so I needed two. But here's that coupe clip made into the El Segundo. That's sweet casting, even though it is fantasy. Next, I couldn't remember if I got this or not. This is the Escort RS 2000. I know the other one is blue that I'm pretty sure that's the one I'm missing. But that's sweet. Then here's two of the Easters. Found the 65 Ford Mustang. Not the prettiest, but it's a Mustang. So definitely wanted that. And I also came across this Jeep. I like to find a Camaro, but it's not necessary. I already have the 52 Chevy. Then from AK's, the 2006 GTO. I never did come across this. So that's nice. Okay, and next, the 18 Copo Camaro. Definitely looking for another one of these for my stepson, but sweet ride. Then the Automobile Pininfarina Battista, this kind of exotic design, different. And next, the Mod Rod, the Treasure Hunt. So very happy to find that. And this was definitely one I was looking for, the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. This is just badass. Such a great piece. I have to find me another one of those. And I got the Surf Crate. Great piece. And then the Lotus Emira in the recolor. In this burgundy reddish color. And then I never did pick this up, so I got that Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Not a big fan, but I just think it looks pretty cool. And last but not least of the Hot Wheels, picked this up from a friend, a 34 three-window coupe. I know there's a recolor of that, so I'll definitely be looking. I might go on Whatnot or something and look for that. I think it's red. But he offered this up, and I said, absolutely. And then next are Hot Wheels or Matchbox. This 2021 Cadillac CTS-V, the recolor in black. Very nice. And then with the Aero disc style wheel, the 70 Torino, or Ranchero, sorry. So now I'll look for the recolor, or the wheel variation. So that'll be the next one I look for. Then I've got the other two Matchbox 70th anniversary, the Lightning that I was looking for, and the police cruiser. That is awesome. So now I got all three with the charger already. Very nice. And last but not least, the Porsche 918 Spider. Oh, that in yellow is just so awesome. Okay, and then found some moving parts. The Pagani Huayra Roadster. I don't think I had this one, so I grabbed it just in case. That is nice. And then the Tesla Roadster in black. And last, the brown Corvette 2020. Very nice. And then 3 NASCARs. I got the Ryan Blaney and the Worth. Definitely happy to find that. The Joey Logano Pennzoil Shell. And the Kevin Harvick in the Subway. Like to find him in Mobile One. That's sweet. Then I got one of the M2 Sharkmouth, the 62 Chevy. I found the Datsun 210 and the Superbird or Daytona, whichever one it is, but I didn't grab either one of them. And last but not least, I found 3 of Series 2 of the mystery models. I found numbers 1, 2, and 3. I should have got number 4. Number 4 was a bone shaker. But I have not opened them, so let's see what number 3 is. A VW Bug. Very cool. And the sticker. Number 2. Looks like the 70 Chevy C10. Very nice. And the sticker. And then number 1. I went to 3 different Walmarts, and only my Walmart is the only one that had any of these. And number 1 is the Brazilian Charger, and it's lime green. Very nice. Very cool. But that is everything for today. I want to thank you all for checking out what I got for us. So thank you, and I'll be catching you all soon. Thanks. See ya.